about being
Yeah.
bad in between.
Yeah.
Except between 8 and 9.
Well, you know, I wanted to make it so that you had to ride, so that it wasn't for free. But at the same time,
It's got the fine changes.
yeah, it does. But that horse changes. It does flying changes like they're, you know, like he's eating potato chips. It's just easy.
Oops.
We'll be bummed about that.
Yeah. Got under it. Got to keep the motor running.
We got under it too, but my horse was very
Yeah.
clever.
You didn't get under it that deep. Like your horse is, but you didn't get under it as deep as that. Well, you got under it. You still had the motor running.
Oh yeah.
Full 43.
Have a good ride.
Thank you.